Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Anjali Ayu Putri Utama. I'm from Dental Hygiene Department Health Polytechnic of Semarang. Today I'm going to give a presentation about safe environment, especially plastic waste pollution. The environment is very important for the survival of living things because if the environment does not exist, the humans, animals, and plants cannot survive. However, how the environment is experiencing damage, it's all the result of irresponsible human activity. The use of plastic of product in an environmentally unfriendly manner causes serious environmental problem. Plastic waste is not only a problem in cities, but also in the oceans. Therefore, I discuss this material because it intends to provide education to all Indonesian people that plastic pollution in Indonesia and even in the world is increasing. So that with a little exposure I give it can make us all aware. Plastic pollution in the world. Cities in the world produce 1.3 billion tons of plastic waste every year. According to estimates by the World Bank, this number increased to 2.2 billion tons in 2015. For more than 50 years, global plastic production and consumption has continued to increase. An estimate 299 million tons of plastic were produced in 2013. This creates a very serious environmental problem. This figure confirms the trend of the volume of waste from plastic in recent years. The Woodwatch Institute study report global use of plastic products worldwide is estimated to reach 260 million tons in 2008. According to the 2012 Global Industry Analysis report, the world use of plastic products reached around 297 million tons at the end of 2015. Plastic is also one of the causes of soil pollution in urban areas. Based on this graphic, we can see that plastic waste pollution is increasing every year. Dangers of plastic waste. Number 1. Groundwater pollution causes dire consequences on various marine species. For example, when small organisms such as plankton consume plastic, large animals that eat the plankton will also be poisoned. Number 2. Soil pollution. When plastic waste is dumped in landfills, it interacts with water forming hazardous chemicals. When these chemicals sit underground, they degrade water quality. And the last, causes of air pollution. Burning plastic in the open causes air pollution due to the release of toxic chemicals. Air is polluted when inhaled by humans and animals. This affects their health and can cause breathing problems. How to reduce plastic waste? Number 1. Recycling. Separating plastic waste product from other types of waste. For leather recycling plastic waste of using it as a power plant is tough to minimize the problems. Number 2, prohibition or restrictions of plastic products. Use paper bags or other fabric materials such as grocery, shopping bags when shopping at the market. Color to use paper bags or bags made of cloth such as hemp, cotton, or other environmentally friendly materials. And last, inviting the community to contribute in reducing plastic waste. Effort that we can do to deal with plastic waste in everyday life include number 1, separating trash bins for organic and non-organic waste. Number two, avoid disposing of organic waste in open space, public place, waterways, rivers, beach, oceans, and other natural resources. Number three, increase public awareness of the management and dangers of plastic waste. For example, informing relatives or neighbors. And the last, doing mutual cooperation to clean the environment around the house from rubbish, including garbage made of plastic. I'd like to conclude my presentation by summarizing the information. First, plastic waste can cause damage to nature. For example, groundwater pollution, soil pollution, and causes of air pollution. And the second conclusion is how do we reduce the pollution that is by recycling, prohibition or restriction of plastic product and inviting the community to contribute in reducing plastic waste. I think my presentation is enough and I will say sorry about my pronunciation and thank you for your attention and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.